Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a very tasty side dish that what we call as a white kurma, but with no onion, no garlic and no oil also. Today we have made a very delicious mixed vegetable kurma. No onion, no garlic, no oil. It goes very well with chapathi, puri or even a simple vegetable pulao. For making this, I have washed and chopped mixed vegetables. I have potatoes, carrot, beans, and these in winter I had frozen and kept some green peas, and these are known as the field beans, also known as mochai in Tamil. So this also I had in winter frozen it and kept it ready. So now we'll use, if you don't have this, use whatever vegetables you have at home. So in my pressure cooker I am adding the potatoes, field beans, carrot, green peas and beans. We'll just add a little bit of water. Add just about half cup of water. Don't add too much water. Now I am adding some salt. Cover it and we'll cook it for one whistle and switch it off. So in my mixture jar I am taking fresh grated coconut, about 2 tablespoons of roasted gram, that is the chutney dal, 1 teaspoon of somph, fennel seeds, 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves and a small piece of cinnamon, about 3 to 4 green chillis. These are a few cashew nuts. If you want you can add, it adds a little bit richness, or you can avoid it also, and a small piece of ginger. Add a little water and grind everything into a smooth paste. Our masala is ground and ready. Now let's open the cooker and see. See, the vegetables are all well cooked and done. I have just removed a little bit of this water. Now add this ground masala paste to the cooked vegetables. Now use this water to remove out all the masala from the blender jar. Why I am doing that? I don't want to add excess water to it. The kurma should be of the right consistency. That's it. Now give it all a good mix and over a low to medium flame bring it to a boil once again, so that the masala also gets well cooked and all the flavors blend well together. See, the kurma has again come to a boil and this is the consistency which we require. Not too thick, not too watery. Finally, I will just add a few curry leaves to this. We will switch it off. And now I am adding 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to it. That little bit of sourness adds to the taste. Transfer it into my serving dish. Finally, for added flavor, I am just adding only 1 teaspoon of ghee on top. It really enhances the flavor, and our healthy vegetable kurma, which is a great side dish for chapathi, puri. You can even have it with a pulao, is ready. We have seen how to make a delicious side dish which is healthy and cutting down on our oil consumption too, as it is required now for economic as well as health reasons. Because I want to change this misconception that when you make any side dish you have to add lot of oil, fry the onions, fry the tomatoes and so on. You can still get excellent taste by following other methods too. Thank you for watching the video. Definitely try out this recipe. Give me your feedback. Share the recipe with your family and friends. And we'll meet again with the next episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.